Madhava went there and visited. Madhava went to there and came back, but no new person has come.
Madhava went there when?
Yesterday afternoon.
But he came back.
He's back.
Yes, Maharaj.
And morning today.
I went last night.
Last night you came.
I delivered that letter.
Any news?
Well, I met Bhakti Swarup Damodar Maharaj. And he said he would submit a proposal to the GBC about taking sannyas.
What is his opinion?
He is not favorable in general.
He's as before.
He is asked before.
As he was before.
Yes. I requested him to come here and speak with you. If you'd like to try. Come.
What does he say?
He may try to come here and meet you. Swarup Damodar.
Did you meet Jajit Maharaj?
Yes, I was
Doing well. He's doing well.
Oh, yes.
And what about that Mukhavitra?
No, I did not see him. I did not see him.
Did not see him. Thank you. All the acharyas come.
No.
With the exception of Pankshadut.
Panchaduta is not there. Vijayananda is not there.
Then the two absent.
Some, I don't know. Only about 13 GBC members have come so far. They don't seem very enthusiastic this year.
They have got the responsibility how to conduct the present movement. And any news of Pravan Swami and the Brija Prakash, are they in Vrindavan?
Somebody told me, Maharaj, that they are going to Venezuela because they can't stand the tickets.
Oh. Oh, both of them.
Looks like that.
Hare Krishna. You haven't believed that? No.
No, it is.
Hare Krishna. Lord, Hare Lord, Lord, Hare Lord.
Maharaj, yesterday when we went to Mayapur, we feel that the spirit of Krishna consciousness is missing there. The lesson put in the Vaishnavas are very cold there.
Remarking that way, that would be too much. Amazing altogether.
Maharaj, in about a week and a half, the Navadvip Dham parikramas are coming up. Perhaps you can tell us something about them.
Parikrama. After 1 week or so, there will be Navadvip Parikrama.
Yes.
He wants to hear something about Navadvip Parikrama.
To be more introduced with the realistic view of Navadvip. There are so many divisions and this Navadvip Dham and the 9, and they are told as representation of 9 sections of devotion: Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran, Bandhan, and Archan, Sakha, Nivedan. That Srimantadip represents Swaranakha Bhakti, Kirtan is Godram, Maran is Madhadip, Padashivan the school of Deep, Archan the Janmadip, what is this? Kavaddeep and then Ritudeep. And Vandani Janvadeep. Shukra is Rudradeep. And the Arjun Vedan is Mayapur. They have got connection with these 9 types of main devotional conception. And when we travel there, we are reminded by the incident of those places how such representations come from such places, and all together promotes us to understand what is devotion proper. And Atmanivedana is the basis of all. And if after Atmanivedana there is surrender, the flame of life will be categorically changed. After Atmanivedana, after surrendering to the central direction, whatever will be done by us, that will come to have recognition as devotion. That is devotion. Atmanivedana. Selflessness plus self-surrendering. Self-surrendering means selflessness, selflessness. Selfish actions come to end, and selflessness, that is also crossed, and then self-surrender to life begins, and that is devotion proper. The life of a devotee, not any individual interest or provincial interest, but the work for the universal interest of the whole absolute. They are soldiers of that creed. They do anything and everything they may do, but the intuition comes from the center, the absolute good. So, though apparently they seem to be a member of this plane, but through their heart, the connection with the absolute good cause. So their color is completely changed. Valuation is completely changed. Their movement, valuation of their movement, completely changed. So apparently they seem to be doing everything almost similar to the mundane persons. And they are also eating, but properly they are not eating, they are starving the remaining sent by the Lord. In this way, Tayo Bhakta Sabdam, Basu Lankar Chuttita, Uchista Bhojino Dasa Astava Mayang Jai Mahi. The Uddhav says in Bhagavatam. In Bhagavatam, that we shall conquer the whole of the might energy only by one thing. What is that? We shall accept everything with the spirit of service, whatever you send for us. You have taken it, you have enjoyed. The remnants we shall have to go to serve. and thereby whole illusion of energy will be devastated. So, once that Professor Babu, who wrote that Sri Krishna Chaitanya in English, he had his younger brother, he was a graduate Paras, and he challenged Professor Sannat that what do you do there? What you shall do, you also do in the night. No, you don't do that, what you do. No, you don't do that. You do not eat. No, you don't eat. Then what do you do? I have seen in my own eyes that you are eating. But no, we don't eat. We don't eat like you. And you have these solid things putting into the stomach. We don't do that. We have Mahaprasad. And some others told for 2000 he would faint there. So it is beyond your understanding what we do. We don't eat like you. No spirit of consumption. We don't consume anything. We honor the remains of the Lord. That's what we do. So, such will be the difference of all these activities of the true Vaishnava and the world. And apparently they seem to do the same things on the other country. Walking, sleeping, eating, and abusing persons, so many things. Earning money and distributing so many similar. But the standpoint is totally different. Coming to the center, abiding by the direction of the central government, and they are guided by their provincial and local interest. Local and absolute, that is the difference, and the difference is very, very great. On the other side of the selflessness of renounced life, renunciation comes between complete renunciation, on this side and the other side. What is devotion proper but to be realized? It is not by apparent movement generally, but the question of adjustment, angle of vision, that is to be changed. That is to be changed. So, Dham Parikrama, so many stories, so many scenarios, but all meaning to help us in our absolute adjusted life. And if one can catch that, he's Parikrama, that he's working, traveling through different tirtha and receiving the local historical original instructions thereby, and different conceptions of devotion. That is encouraged. So it is not like the Meditanta Punyakami. There are young people in the young Hindu section who also are out in pilgrimage, coming in contact with the holy places, with some holy association. They are main object to get some unseen help in their present life. In their present life, what they want, they want to be, that to be satisfied by some invisible help. Deva. That is Punya Kamana. Good to acquire good marriage that will help to their present life in success according to their conception. Not Shuddha Bhakti. But the devotees, the Gaudiya people, their object is quite different. That is, cannot be reckoned in any of the different planes. The present educational science section is hunting for. They can't think even that a purely spiritual life is possible at all. That's only the concoction they are suffering from. Culture, negative culture. According to the so-called civilized scientific scholars, the government that is fighting with that shadow, they're hunting after the impossibility and the imaginary things. That is superstition. They are hunting, running after phantasmagoria, superstition. Damisha Sabbhubhutana, Tushang Yagati Sangami, Dushang Yagati Bhutani Sarisa. On the other side, we think that in the name of complete reality, they are running after phantasmagoria. Just avoid it. The mortal, which is certainly the mortal achievement, they are running after that. They think immortality is not possible. Socrates had to pray for it. The soul is immortal. So, at the cost of his life, he had to announce that our soul is immortal. No, immortal, nothing is immortal. So it is foolish to neglect the mortal pleasure. Whatever there may be, let us enjoy. That is there. But we neglect it. And ours is what is quite darkness to them. We want to be wasteful in that plane of life. The basis, his soul is immortal, and there is the immortal world. And not only immortal, but that is nectarine reality. Sundantarishi Yamadashaputra. Who you sons of nectarine world may ninefold in my address. All internal were sons of that side. You are child of that side. Why do you suffer so much? You have become victims of mortality, but really you are not so. You have got inconceivably higher state of life. Come back to your own plane, come back home. That is the call of Upanishad. The one most ancient revealed scripture. How comes to realize. So the Ashantam Gauriya not only call for the thirsty life, but even to full-fledged condition. That is family life with God. Family life with the absolute beauty and the charm. Your flesh is just on the lap of the affectionate father, or just in the lap of the beloved consort. This way, and do or die. Do or die. That is the slogan of Gauriya Math. Let us strive our utmost. Strive our utmost to achieve what is our own real prospect upon that. And no compromise, not only compromise in the way, in midway, but fight to the finish. We have to fight to the finish, and we must be prepared for that. The call of the Gauriya Math was so. Not any haphazard or any compromised, nothing of the type. So he has to fight. The youth is fighting almost single-handed against the whole of the world, against all different stages of culture, even known to the world. And his only support was Srimad Bhagavatam and Mahaprabhu. On his head, with heart within and God overhead, on the head Mahaprabhu and Bhagavatam. That's good single to fight out that they are God of the Siddhanta Sridhar. And that also, not only he wanted to fight in Bengal, the province of Mahaprabhu, the road of the East, and not only in India, but outside. To attack, his men to attack the highest position of present civilization, the Western world, the scientific civilization. So proud they are with their present achievement, and to break down the whole structure of present false civilization structure, to demolish and to construct divine temple over the remnants of this mundane world, construct a temple of God. And not only this half-truth, but according to Bhagavad, the fullest in his words, full-fledged, not stop in the midway or halfway, or be satisfied with partial progress, but wholesale dealing, and that is given by Bhagavatam. By Vijnana Viraga Yuktam. What is that word? Avishyati Krishna Padara Bindayo Kinattavadrani Chasantamut Sattasya Suddhi Paramatma Bhakti Sattasya Suddhi Paramatma Bhakti Vijnana Viraga Yuktam Avishyati Krishna Padara Bindayo Kinattavadrani Chasantamut Sattasya Suddhi Paramatma Bhakti Jnanancha Vijnana Viraga Yuktam. The conception of reason, something like this. Avishyati Krishna Padara, the continuous existence. Krishna Padara under the holy protection of the divine feet of Krishna. Continuous engagement, like all sorts of moments. And thinking, the guide is on my head, and the holy divine feet of Krishna, Padara Bindayo. Avishyati Krishna Padara Bindayo. Avishyati Krishna Padara Bindayo. Kinattavadrani Chasantamut. By this attitude, we can remove what is foreign in us in no time, very easily. We continue this memory, remembrance of Krishna parts of Krishna connection with, in no time it will disperse all the difficulties on the way. Kimati Abhadrani, what is meanness? What is meanness? What is not dignified? So you must transfer the dignity of human race. Vedari to Krishna is the most dignified position. You have to understand. And what is against it, that is meanness, Abhadrani. So only standard, gentle life, a gentle standard, gentleman's life is to understand and to accept the position of subordination to the absolute truth. It is not mean life. What is proper, what is real, to admit that and to, on that basis, to make one's life advanced. That is not weakness. To understand one's proper position and proper duty and to discharge that is gentleman's life. That is truth, to accept that. So, Avishyati Krishna Padara Bindayo Kinoti Abhadrani, what is considered to be meanness, that is removed very soon. Abhadrani, Chasantamut. And what is really beneficial to us, that will extend, that will increase. Samtamoti. Sattasya Suddhi. Even in some adulterated conception of your own life. Adulterated. Mind, this intelligence, the exploitation energies of different kinds of this. It is all adulteration. So Sattva Shuddhi, your existence is eliminated. All sort of adulterated things, adulteration. Sattva Shuddhi. It will be purified and come out in its pristine glory. Real self come with him. Sattva Shuddhi. Paramatma Bhakti, and you will find you have got a happy devotional connection with the super soul, with the super knowledge. Paramatma Bhakti, Dhanam to Vijnana Viraga Suptam, and knowledge proper. It is paraphernalia, not a hazy, impersonal knowledge. Knowledge proper with his parivar, with his paraphernalia, Vijnana. The systematic existence. Vijnana Viraga Yuktam. Dhanam cha Vijnana Viraga Yuktam. Viraga Yuktam. Viraga means what at present your attraction is in this mundane, that will be transferred. This is the raga. The raga, the affection proper will be discovered. Now your affection and attraction were misdirected, but they will find their proper place. The other affection, viraga yuktam, will have is a real place and position where they have to act. The affection, the attraction, the vishishtata, is a special characteristic you will find. These faculties will find their special support. To which they will be directed, the proper place they will find. This is devotion. Jai Guru Hari Guru. 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 Vaidhan Parikrama with the enlightened individual personality and his mission of the Gauranga, who is he, and what he came here to give to us. All these things will be clear and easily accessible to us and acceptable to us. It will promote to our highest goal of life. it is meant for that. It is meant for that. To get Gauranga nearer to our soul, nearer to us. And getting nearer to our soul, that is to get guarantee of our Krishna, our achievement in Krishna Lila, is unconscious. So, for us, fallen souls, it is more useful to cultivate about and to know about Sri Gauranga. Sri Gauranga. Which would be able to give us the fulfillment of life with least trouble and in the fullest form. It is not recommend any haphazard or any misconceived Krishna consciousness. But real Krishna consciousness and also without least difficulty we can have full Krishna consciousness by the help of Gaura consciousness. Gauranga consciousness, and then also you will be able to feel that Gaura consciousness also includes in Krishna consciousness, plus something more. What is that? The distribution of Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness and the arrangement of distribution of Krishna consciousness both combined is Gaura consciousness. Gaura consciousness. Kaviraj Goswami has written. Krishna Vilahamitolar Jar Sato Satolar Dor Diki Bhaya Viti Shikari Chandra Lila Hoy Sorubara Akhoy Monoham Sochara Hotahati Kaviraj Goswami, the giver of Chaitanya Charitamrita, the most valuable literature, theological, has ever seen the light. Krishna Lila was of heart. What is Krishna Lila? That is the real gist of nectar, sweetness, happiness, expression. Krishna Lila almost of heart. The sweetest of the sweet that can ever be conceived, that is represented in Krishna Lila. Sweetness in its act. And what is Chaitanya Lila? That sweet fluid of Krishna Lila is spring, and the current coming by 100 channels. Gaura is such, the fountain of Krishna Lila, from where towards 10 directions, hundreds of streams of that sweet Krishna Lila in fluid, and like river, it is being spread on all sides. Sweetness of Krishna Lila as a fluid, and on the fountain that is starting towards 10 directions. কৃষ্ণলীলা অমৃত সার তার শত শত ঘাট 10 দিকে, hundreds of such streams of sweet fluid is passing towards 10 directions. That fountain is Gaudila. কৃষ্ণলীলা অমৃত সার ধার শত শত ধার 10 দিকে বসে যাহা হইতে সেই চৈতন্য লীলা হয়। You try to understand what is Chaitanya Lila. It is the source. You may take it the source, the foundation. Because the Lila is eternal. Though it is after we see Korean, that was in Dapara, in previous Krishna Lila, but it is eternal. The giver is there, then the gift is coming to us. 10 দিকে বসে চৈতন্য লীলা হয় সরোবর অক্ষয়। And not a fountain, it is almost a lake. A lake, 10 directions, so many streams of sweet Krishna Lila being distributed to the audience. সরোবর অক্ষয়, সরোবর অক্ষয় কৃষ্ণলীলা অমৃত সার তার শত শত হার 10 দিকে বয়ে যাহা হইতে সেই চৈতন্য লীলা হয় সরোবর অক্ষয় মনহংস চরাপথ হাতি। All devotees come like so many birds, they will swim in the lake. From what lake, the Krishna in different streams have been going to the water outside. Come and live in that lake. Sarovar Akhay, Manahamsa Jarahotati. The swan of your mind, the swan of your mind, ask him to take shelter. In this Saruvara, the Hamsa. The mind is compared with a swan, and the swan swims in that nectarine lake of Gaudila. From here towards 10 directions, so many 103 streams of nectar is going on all 10 directions. ভক্তগণ সুন্দর সর্বজ্ঞ all devotees, my humble prayer to you all, Kaviraj Goswami Puri. Namo Sadhanya Vacham Mahantagan Nosagan, and the devotees, they change like clouds. They are taking that nectar from that sarovar, just as the cloud takes the water from the sea, and they go this side, that side, and there they give rain. So many sadhus, they are like clouds. They are extracting this amritam from the lake of Gauranga, and they are going hither and thither, and they are like rain. They are giving to the fortunate souls. Sadhu Govinda Mesogan Kori Akarshan Chaturdige Kori Borishan. This is the conception of Kaviraj Goswami. There's something more that I forget. It is there, you will find very, very charming, heart-touching things. And they're giving it a clear conception. Govinda Lilamatam. In Sanskrit, the Govinda Lilamatam Then that book has been written by Kaviraj Goswami and the Ashtakaliya Leela. The full 24 hours engagement of the gopis with Krishna has been how it has been described there. And in Chaitanya Charitamrita in Bengali and Sanskrit. And that is purely Sanskrit. These two books has made him immortal and given very, very high position among this earth. Kasturi Manjari is his name, and Krishna Leela. Kaviraj Goswami. And his place was that between Katwa and Akrika Chakra Nityan Gostam, station Balaram. There they had to go 2 miles north from Balaram station. There is a Yamatpur, place of Kaviraj Goswami. Once I went to visit that place. And all through my request to ask Krishna, just try to improve me. That place, most important that all you do. The Mahaprabhu has given Mahaprabhu Prabhupada to us. Prabhupada, Guru Maharaj told that Sadbansha, Chaitanya Charitamrita, all his, every part in the facility is autographical. Composed of the purest material, highest material. No part can be it is regarded as less valuable. All of these values, the whole thing, Sadvansha Pramani. And in other books, there are something substantial, other things only to help that so many stories, etc. added. Even in Bhagavatam, so many stories which may not be necessary for us, but only to support the original thoughts. They are devised. So, but Chaitanya Charitamrita never letter to be found which has got not the highest value. Such is impossible. Anything to be composed, there are necessary of elements of different types. Generally, a different type of elements necessary for the construction of a particular thing. But Chaitanya Charitamrita, the whole self, a golden temple, not something more. Gold, Hari Bol, Gold, Hari Bol, Gold. One can have gold, have gone through Chaitanya Charitamrita. He has got anything and everything within his feet. The Bhagavatam, Mahabharatam, any other, the central truth, he will be able to attain. Nothing in this theological world will be new to him. He will get the clue of adjustment in the theological world. If one can go through Chaitanya Charitamrita in the right way, he will have the key of the theological kingdom in his hands. In a gross or in a subtle way, all conceptions of theistic world has been represented there in their own position. The outlook, the adjustment is such high and the perfect that we get that faith and judge. Gol Hari Bol, Gol Hari Bol, Gol Hari Bol, Gol. Jai Gol Hari Bol, Jai Gol Hari Bol, Jai Gol Hari Bol. Jasmin Jati Sabhamidam Vikkatam Bhavati. Jasmin Prapti Sabhamidam Praptam Bhavati. Padvijita Sasva. This is the conception of the center. Center can represent the whole in it. The seed represents the tree. So if one can have knowledge in dissection of the seed in a subtle form, you may get some knowledge of the tree there. It is possible. So Jasmin Jati Sabhamidam Vidyatam Bhavati, Jasmin Prapti Sabhamidam Prapti. Apparently it seems to be impossible. If one thing is known, everything is known. The madman's delirium. Apparently it seems like that. One thing is known, everything is known. Then what is the meaning of one? One in many. How one, when one known, everything is known? Nonsense. And this in the apparent understanding. But the Upanishad, the revealed truth, its central representation is such that it is possible. By knowing one, we can know many. This is the revolutionary assertion. And we have to face with that in a sincere and honest way, how it is possible. So this is such a great thing, a great truth, cannot be buried underground and we dance that we are civilized. Like a madman. When we come to have recognition from within, then we get Shraddha. Faith. Faith means to come in and to admit this fact that yes, one is known, many is known, everything is known. This impossibility, if we can accept within our heart, then we are thirsty people. We have got Shraddha, we have got faith. We have got faith. Otherwise, our religious tendency is all hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. ভক্তি করিলে সর্বকর্ম শ্রদ্ধা শব্দে বিশ্বাস করি সুদৃঢ় নিশ্চয় কৃষ্ণে ভক্তি করিলে সর্বকর্মকৃত হয়. If you do your duty to Krishna, all duties are done, discharged. If you can have such quality of faith, then you have got Shraddha. You are faithful. Faith is a divine thing. It has arisen in you. So in no time you will find Shraddha. Sakal Chariya Bhai Shraddha Devi Gunjai. Throw away everything which you think to your property and friends. Try to sing the noble characteristic of Shraddha, that is faith. Faith, Shraddha. That can only deliver you the infinite, everything you finite. The infinite, that is giving you the news, the tidings. That finite can come in infinite. You can get Krishna, you can get infinite. Finite. So that is the good news. The Shraddha can only takes to you that prospect, that hope. Discuss everything. Only first adored the Shraddha, the faith, and that will be able to give you everything. That will be able to satisfy you fully. All other stuff, partial adventure, and that will take you to guide you to in the blind lane. All that blind lane, only the royal road is Shraddha in the life of every soul. Gaur Hari Bol, 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 Gaur Hari Bol. Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Yes.
You can say that the infinite can come in finite form. What is the form of the
It is not finite, but in the terms of finite, you may think like that. But your feeling is satisfied by the infinite. But your gladness in you to accept, to welcome the infinite, that will all be fulfilled and the more than that. All your earnestness will be fully embraced and compensated. And here you will feel it. Still there is more and more. Because you can't finish. But in qualitative aspect, you will be fortunate to meet that. Only because finite cannot finish. It is placed in infinite. But it is fulfilled with the proper qualitative aspect. The highest possible attainment of the jiva. Arvindu Jagat Chuba. One drop is sufficient to inundate the whole creation. That is such. It has been told like that. You will be lost in the sweet ocean. We are swimming in the ocean of nectar. We may swim, we may drink, we may do anything and everything. That sweetness is there. Sweetness to our utmost capacity. That's all will be going, no aspiration. More than that. Sure. Whatever is endowed in us, that will have a fulfillment amply more than that. Beyond this capacity. And under the capacity will be more increased and they will be satisfied.
How consciousness can be promoted to the stage of Shuddhanam, chanting without compassion.
That is the same thing by the association of the sadhu who has got that, who is living in that plane, and he's emitting that sort of ray outside. And if I be fortunate enough to come to him with, of course, the favorable attitude, then that will, I'll be able to imbibe that and then that will help the quality of life. In the process of my taking the name Sadhu Sangha, next to Shastra Sangha, that is the favorable atmosphere can only help. Just as the proper weather can help a patient. A patient is suffering from some disease, and the doctor may recommend him go to that weather, and that will improve your health unconsciously. The air, the water, of the Sadhu Sangha, where the vibration of higher type, real type, to take advantage of that vibration, that will help improve, remove the filthy character of mind, and I reach the name-taking aspect in me to improve his condition entirely. His fear on the feet, is all true.